Good morning, it's Tuesday. It's day 2 of Triple Witching Week, and I thought today would be a good day to explain what triple witching is and what happens in the market. Now, the first thing, triple witching expiration is, and you'll hear a lot of this on the news this week, but what it is when futures, bonds, and equity options all expire supposedly on the same day. That's the triple witching. That's why when we have these triple witching expirations, if you go back and look at volumes on that Friday, you'll see very high volumes in the equity markets, and that's the stock market. Why? Because the traders, the big funds, have to roll out of positions, so it creates artificial volume. But what I do want to talk about is that in today's world, triple witching expiration means absolutely nothing to us, other than there will be some artificial volume this week. But what they've done over the years, when I first started trading 30 years ago, and we had a triple witching expiration, there was only quarterly options that traded, and everything did actually expire on the same day. But what they have done now is the bonds, for example, have expired 2 weeks ago. The futures options, or the futures have expired last Thursday, and the equities will expire this coming Friday. So what has happened now is, although you will hear commentators making a big ordeal about triple witching, it's a bunch of, you know what, okay? The triple witching has some significance to the market, but overall it really only affects the possible options and the way that the cash trade is going to happen at the very last minute on Friday. Do not let the so-called experts on TV talk to you or talk you out of something because of triple witching. Again, this business comes down to mathematical odds and probabilities, very much as a game of backgammon, bridge, gin, poker, any of those games that use mathematics. We do the same thing. Okay? If your charts are telling you that you have a signal whether to buy or sell, you can go ahead and take that signal. Do not worry about what triple witching means, because in the big scheme it means nothing anymore. It is simply a term that at one point in time had meaning, because it did create a lot more volatility in the market, because markets all expired at one time and nobody knew what to do. But now, because they can spread that expiration out, again, they've done another thing to take away the volatility out of the market. So triple witching, all it means is futures, options, bonds, futures, equities, and bonds all expire at the same time. So what's going to happen now is in the futures market, the S&Ps and those futures will be trading March expiration now. The bonds are trading March expiration now. And the equities are trading, the big equities are trading March expiration, even though we have weeklies and monthlies before that. But the big contracts that are used against these are done on a quarterly basis. That's the triple witching expiration. Hope it made sense. And if there's any other topics you want to discuss, please email them in to me. Would love to do it. Todd@adammesh.com. Remember, Bubba's picks. We're going to be light, but we may come up with something. For Tuesday, the Bubba Show. Have a great day. We'll see you on Wednesday.